109 with the Gator train chaser. Before Dorian. There she is. Thank you. 801, 307, 814. Glorified local. My theory is if you can still see the head end, which is all the way down there, I can still see it. Yeah, it's a glorified local. He hasn't even cleared Hurtwig yet. All right. EOT at 907. BBT 609. Here with the Gator train chaser on the FEC main. Have a safe trip to the crew.
Ready for that hurricane, people?
Yes, sir. Have a safe trip to the crew of 109. Still hasn't hit Forest Hill Boulevard yet, which is impressive. Look, listen, and live. Stay safe. 3,000 at least. Out.